everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dora the Fluid Crafter. If you hear noise in the background, it's just my printer. I'm printing off some digis. Okay, exciting news. Okay, I'm so stoked about this. As you guys know and you have heard of Dot Studio Designs, they actually recently changed their name to Dots. I think it's Dots and hold on a minute. Let me see here. I don't think it's okay. Anyways, Dot Studio Designs, they did change some things. They did change their name and their Etsy shop. So I am going to go back and get the new link for that, and the information will be down in the description box. So exciting news. I was one of their guest designers last year, and I was talking to her about being on her design team because, oh my goodness, I love their digis so much. And I have played around with a lot of them. My favorite so far was the sunflower one until now. Oh my goodness, guys, wait till you see this. So anyways, the announcement is that they were looking for someone to do tutorials with some of their kits. And so I thought, oh my gosh, I can do that. I'm on YouTube. I do that anyway. So here we go. She sent me the Vintage Ladies kit, and it is big. Look at that. And now let me just throw this out there. This section of it is double-sided. So yeah, the pages I have printed double sides. So that way, you know, when I do the tutorial, oh, and I can't tell you what it is yet because it's a surprise. I'm just so excited. Okay, anyways, so I want to show you the kit, and you guys wait till you see how beautiful this is. Okay, so there's one. Double-sided. Look at those frames. God, I love how she uses these frames. Oh, beautiful. And then there's this one. I love her collaging too. Just breathtaking. And these actually have little sayings inside the frames. And this one here is from Jane Eyre. I am no bird, and no net ensnares me. I am a free human being with an independent will. That is beautiful. Love it. Okay, so there's that one. And this one is gorgeous. Is it not just so gorgeous? Again, some frames. Then, of course, my favorite color is green, so you know I'm in love with this page. Look at those big flowers. Oh my goodness. Stunning. Just stunning. Here's another one. Now there's one frame on this side, and this side has the butterflies and the splashes of watercolor and things. Oh, just amazing. And I love this page here. This is a T model Ford, and I will own one day. So anyways, and then there's a couple here dancing. Oh, it's so precious. Okay, so we're just going to keep going here, and I'm just going to show you both sides because I did print on both sides, and then there's two ladies there. And so we have back pages and front pages. The ladies I chose as the main pages, and then the ones without ladies on them are the ones I chose for the background pages. But they're all just amazing. I mean, even if you didn't want to do the ladies and just do the background pages, oh, you could make a little traveler's notebook with that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm trying my best to stay in frame. I am zoomed down a little bit, which I'm not used to doing, you know, this close, unless it's something up close and personal that I'm doing. So I hope you guys can see these really, really well. And oh, and look at this, okay? I don't think I've ever seen this in a digi. If somebody's done it, okay, but I haven't seen it personally, so I think it's just genius. I don't know if you can see the outline back here, okay? But this is a woman, right? Okay. And then it starts right here at her shoulders. And then you can see her dress line right? And then her arms right here, okay? You can see the little pattern on her dress and things like that. And you can see all the flowers and stuff that come through it. Let me see if I can get this up here where you can see it. I hope you can see that. It is stunning, guys. It is just stunning. And my phone is going to fall. I'm sorry if I shake you. I need to push you back up there. Okay. Oh, I apologize for that. If my phone would have fell off of that top, it would have been a disaster. It has happened to me before. Anywho, okay. So, and then there's this. And then here is the dress. Oh, beautiful. This would be a good all-around women's journal. It would be a good lacy journal. It will be a good sewing journal, women's housekeeping journal, everyday journal. I mean, and like I said, now some of these backgrounds do repeat because there's a lot of front pages. So, oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I love Victorian. Oh, I love the Victorian era. One of my favorite time periods. Love how they dressed. Just loved it. As I said, some of these backgrounds you guys have seen. I love that. Look at that green. But I am still going to show them anyway, so you can kind of see how I put them on, you know, chose which backgrounds to put on what pages and see how they correspond. I love this. Oh my God, that is just so beautiful. I mean, this right here is the front of the book page. And, right? I mean, it's perfect. It's perfect. Okay, so now those are the pages. And I have just printed these out on regular printer paper so they wouldn't be too thick when I start adding cardstock pages and things. Now, these is all on lightweight cardstock, okay? Now, this is not a heavyweight cardstock. This is very lightweight cardstock, okay? Because these are envelopes. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose some of the background pages, and I'm actually going to print on the back of these so I don't have to put backing on the envelope, so that way it's just not white on the inside. So I will be doing that. So here's a couple of envelopes. Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And here's a couple of mini envelopes. Aren't they just so cute? Here's some postcard envelopes. I love how she has the big one and the small one. So you can choose. And here's some labels. All colors. I mean, blues and greens and reds. And some are pastel. Some are very bright. Who knows me and knows I love clocks? Can you tell me? This is my favorite page out of the whole kit, right? All these clocks, and all of them are different and just unique. I love it. Gosh, I love it so much. And here are some postage stamps. Now, these are bigger, and they are appear like, you know how you layer a stamp, you know, you make it where it looks like it's 3D. These here have that effect. Even though they're flat and they're printed, they have that layered look to them, and I love that. Here are some tickets. Here are some small tags. Here are some medium-sized tags. Right? And look at these. That's what I'm saying. All these colors, I mean, they're all just beautiful. Here are some postcards. I love postcards. Oh my gosh. Now, the postcards, I probably won't back that way. I will probably just scan one of my tea-dyed papers and then print the tea-dyed paper on the back is probably what I will do. And then these circles, guys. Okay, listen. These are cool for what reason? Okay, so how many times have you guys decorated a page and yet you have four straight sides, right? And you have a circle that you want to put in there, but the circle's just too big, but you love it, it's beautiful. Cut it in half and then put it up against one of those, and you can have a half circle, and then you can use that as a tuck area, or you can cut this out, flip it around like this where it's at the bottom of the page, and use as a tuck area. kind of like a half moon. Oh, right? Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. I love these. Love, 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 love these. And there's all different kinds. I mean, you can even take these circles and make a circle journal. There's, you know, I mean, you could even do that. Or you can make circle tags. I am just in love with this kit so much, guys. Here's some ephemera pieces. You got bingo cards. You got some journaling cards, collage cards. You got a pharmacy label. I mean, it's just wonderful. Here's some pockets. And then the last one is some more envelopes. I love that blue. Oh my gosh, I love that blue. And I'm actually going to put these with the first section of envelopes that I had already up here. That way they can stay together. Okay, so that is the Vintage Ladies from Dot Studio Designs. Now, I think it's Dot's Inspirational Studio now, or Dot Studio Inspirational Shop, something like that. But like I said, I will link them down below, but I wanted to show you guys this kit and what I'm going to be working with also. So I have my Bird Box DT that I'm going to be finishing up. I'm waiting for the glue to dry in the book because I did a hidden spine binding. Don't worry, I'm just trying to speed things along. And then I have this kit that I'm going to be playing with. I'm printing out another one for a DT. And guys, so much is coming your way, so be sure to pay attention and look out for my videos. If you want to watch them, be sure to be a subscriber. I am still doing my giveaway, my road to 300. Now guys, I'm at 451 or 251, so I'm almost there. I will link the giveaway video down below. Make sure you watch the video all the way to the end so that you can get good instructions. So far we only have just a couple people that are in the giveaway. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down too. That's okay. I take all criticism and it's okay. Some people just don't like my videos and that's fine by me. And you know what? Stay creative, think outside your box, and be blessed always. Bye bye now.